Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel. Today's concept is brain memory power. Every human brain consists of 100 billion neurons. But when we compare person to person, memory will be differs because the way of studying and power of grasping will be differs from person to person. Now we are going to share some interesting points about brain.
Human brain develops 70 to 80% in first 5 years of age, so the information we learn and grasp in this age will stay in human memory permanently and for long time. A human adult brain weighs about 1200 to 1400 grams, which means brain is making up around 2% of human's body weight. Human brain contains 60% of fat and 75% of brain is made up of water. Human brain has the capacity to generate 23 watt of power when human is active. Brain utilizes 20% of blood produced in human body and 20% of oxygen inhaled by human. Human brain has a capacity to read 100 words in a minute, so human brain is complex and hard-working organ. The human brain triples its size in first year of life, and a human male brain is 10% bigger than female human brain. Human brain is one of the most important organ in human body. The human brain has a capacity to store 2.5 billion GB data. Now let's see some important sense organs and parts that helps in learning and grasping information. Sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, mouth or tongue and skin are used to learn and grasp information, that is called response to stimulus. Now let's see one by one sense organs. Eyes. Eyes are used for visual learning. That is, about 70 to 80% of things we learn by seeing and viewing. Example, alphabet structures, plants and animal structures, fruit structures, human structures, etc. Ears. Learning through listening is called auditory learning. Examples, music, sound, human-to-human conversation, etc. Nose. Learn through smelling things. Example, fragrant, fruity, citrus, woody, chemical, sweet, minty, etc. Tongue. Communication learning or learning things through tasting like salt, sour, sweet, bitter, etc. Skin. Learn through sense of touch and feel. Example, cold, hot, etc. Now let's see how to increase human brain memory to remember permanently and long life. One or more sense organs should be involved in learning so can be remembered in memory permanently and long time. To increase brain power, we have to try solving mental ability problems. Make everyday practice of meditation. least 7 to 8 hours a day. Consume omega-3 rich protein foods. Take enough oxygen to your body. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.